Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about how you can log in Ulta Beauty Credit Card account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and simply type in the URL www.d.community.net/AC/ultimate rewards credit. So once you type in this URL, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Once you are in this page, all you need to do is click on the sign in option. So now here all you need to do is fill in the necessary credentials like your email address and your password and simply press on the sign in option. Then you will be logged into Ulta Beauty Credit account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.